Molly, turn around and look how little we've gone and look how far we have to go.
How long have he said 10 minutes, right?
10 to 15.
Where are we going up to see, guys?
We're going all the way up.
That's pretty high up. I'm glad we did this.
Crazy. Look behind us over there. Look at, you can see almost...
Oh, what a view again, eh, Kai, guys?
Oh my god. Yeah, I think...
Still way up there.
Look how high we still have to go.
Turn around.
This is crazy. But fun.
Have an excellent vision to see their prey from afar. They also have a hooked beak to help them tear apart their food, and powerful feet called talons to catch and kill their prey. C'est d'ailleurs cette habitude qui va les distinguer des autres oiseaux prédateurs et carnivores qui vont attraper leur bec. Hey, he caught it! He is très bon. He actually only weighs 10 pounds. Wow. And that is because he is a male, because females would be closer to 12. Et il fait du lit parce que...
You don't want to be a first. On veut pas être perchoir. La chenille péliclochée est une espèce cosmopolite qu'on peut retrouver en Afrique, en Asie, en Europe. People by his... because he still remains a voracious hunter. Combien de souris par année croyez-vous que ça peut...
Look at...
On peut accueillir Darwin, le grand-duc d'Amérique. Let's hear it
like
for
he's
Darwin,
bebopping.
the great horned owl. He did a very beautiful flight. Il a fait un très beau vol. Alors, le grand-duc d'Amérique est une espèce qu'on trouve partout en Amérique et dans plusieurs habitats différents. On va les trouver autant dans les forêts, dans les prairies et dans les déserts. The great horned owl is a species that can be found throughout America. They live also in many different habitats. They can be in prairies, in deserts, and in forests. Raptors, amongst all, but they are very sensitive to the change we bring to their environment. So it's important that we preserve natural habitats so that we can keep them with us. Maintenant, si vous voulez la chance